Namaskara, good morning. Today I'm going to perform International Yoga Day protocol. Sitting Vajrasan or Sukhasan or Padmasan. Any comfortable asana you can say. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಸನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಪದ್ಮಾಸನ, ಸುಖಾಸನ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನ ಹಾಗೆ ನೇರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಚಿನ್ ಮುದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅದು ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆನ್ knee. Keep your back straight. Concentrate on your breathing. ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಓಂಕಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂತ್ರ ಚಾಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಮಂತ್ರ ಚಾಟಿಂಗ್. ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್, ದೀರ್ಘವಾದ ಉಸಿರಾಟ. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. संगचेद्वं समवदुदध्वं समहोमानांसि जनतां देवा भगवं यथा पूर्वे संज्ञान उपासते संज्ञान उपासते ಸಂಜ್ಞಾನ ಉಪಾಸತೆ. ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಸನಿಂಗ್ ಆಸನಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕ ಆಸನ. ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. Keep your both feet together, hands on your neck movement. ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೀವ ಸಂಧಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Breathe in, breathe out, bend your neck forward, breathe out, bend your neck back, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. ಪ್ರಕಾರ 2 ಸೈಡ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Twist your neck towards left and right. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now neck rotation from right to left. Breathe in, breathe out. ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ breathe. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Relax. ಎರಡು ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಇನ್, ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಔಟ್. ಉಸಿರು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಉಸಿರು ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತವನ್ನು ತಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಪಕ್ಕ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮುಟ್ಕೋಣ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್. ರೊಟೇಷನ್, ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Again. Breathe in. Take both the hands and feet apart. One feet. Both hands forward. Breathe in and twist your trunk back slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Relax. One feet sticky, one feet apart. Take both hands forward. Erada samdatona. Half squatting position. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Relax. Keep your hands back and relax. Erada hastagalinda katti. Vishranti pranam. While practicing loosening asana, it helps to increase microcirculation. Now we'll prepare for Sthiti. Close your feet together. Eradu padalanu kodisona, hastanu ottirona. Take your hands forward. Eradu hasta munde torona. Lock your fingers. Fingers na lock mana. Twist your palm opposite. Slowly. Breathe in and stretch. And stand. Stretch and come to the stand on your toes. Hold 10 to few seconds in this position. Tadasana Sthiti. Slowly breathing, relax your fingers, back to position. Vishram. Relax. Close your eyes and relax. Tadasana helps to strengthen our calf muscle and thigh muscle and also stretches our latics. It calms down our mind. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಸಹಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ತರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತೊಡೆಯ ಸ್ನಾಯುಗಳನ್ನು ಮೀನಿನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕೆಲುಬುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ now let us prepare for Vrukshasana. Sthiti, join both feet together. Take your right leg forward and bend and place your right foot on near the left thigh, near perineum, and take both the hands up and close Namaskara Sthiti. Then focus on particular point. You can hold longer time. Vrukshasana. This asana will help to increase concentration, memory power, and strengthen our legs. Now slowly relax and with help of and relax. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಸನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ನು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸು ಸಹ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now let us start with left leg. Take your left leg forward and place your left foot near the thigh. Take both the hands and stretch. Namaskara sthiti. Focus on particular point in front of you. It helps to hold longer time in this Paschimottanasana sthiti. Relax. Vishranti. Now let us practice for Padahasta Asana. Take hands, breathe in, take both the hands up, ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ತರೋಣ. Breathe in and stretch forward and breathe out. Bend forward from your trunk, stretch up, stretch forward as much as possible. Keep your knee closed. Hold your toes and head up. Few breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಸಹಜ ಉಸಿರಾಟವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾದದ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡಿಯನ್ನು we'll try to touch. Place both the hands near the feet and try to touch your knee from head. Forward. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Bring the hands down. Relax. By doing this asana, it helps to strengthen our calf muscle, thigh muscles, and it stretches, increases flexibility of spine, and also very good for the menstrual problems for ladies. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಸನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ನ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುಯಲ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೋವು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮೈಂಡನ್ನು ಕಾಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನು ಮತ್ತು ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೈನ್ ಇರೋರು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ pregnant women, they need to avoid this asana. Those who are operated in abdominal region. Sthiti. Now let us prepare for Ardha Chakrasana. Take both hands forward and place on your trunk support your backbone with your thumb. Take breathe in and Ardha Chakrasana. Breathe. Sahaja breathing, normal breathing. Hold few seconds. Breathe out and come forward and take both hands forward, up and bring forward. Relax. Relax. This Ardha Chakrasana helps to strengthen our trunk and back and stretches our spine and also strengthens our neck, muscles and bones. And also very good for or lungs. It stretches lungs and cardiac muscles. Now, Sthiti will prepare for Trikonasana. Now, take both hands side, feet apart, 3 to 4, 2.5 to 3 feet. Now, turn your right leg 90 degree, 90 degree తీసుకోండి. Turn your left leg, left foot 45 degree. Now, breathe in and breathe out slowly. Place your right hand near the right foot and look up. Try to look your palm. Stretch left and back. Triangular posture. Both knees should be straight. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಚಾವಣಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಮಂಡಿಗಳು ನೇರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಸಹಜ ಉಸಿರಾಟ. Slowly breathe in and come up. Breathe out and turn your feet forward. Relax. Now take both hands sideways up to shoulder level. Turn your feet, left feet 90 degree, right foot 45 degree angle. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Place your left leg near the left foot and try to look up and watch your palm. ಎರಡು ಮಂಡಿಗಳು ನೇರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಹಸ್ತ ನೇರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಭುಜಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾಂತರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತದ ಮಧ್ಯದ ಬೆರಳನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. Breathe in, breathe out and turn your palm and slow relax and come to position. Relax. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಸನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಂಟದ ಭಾಗನ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಶೋಲ್ಡರು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಥೈ ಮಸಲ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಕೊಬ್ಬನ್ನು ಕರಗಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬರ್ನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಬ್ಡಮನ್. This asana should be avoided those who got operated near abdominals and severe pain in the abdomen or ulcer problems, and also sciatica and varicose vein they need to avoid. Now let us prepare for sitting asanas. Ekam, Dve, Treni, Chetva. Now stretch your legs forward, relax, place your hands back and relax. ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us prepare for Baddha Konasana. Join both the feet together. Bring close to your hips, perineum, and sit straight. Keep your back straight. Baddha Konasana or Bhadrasana. Relax. This asana helps to stretches our hip joints and thigh muscles, and also very good asana for ladies for menopause problem. and strengthens our back and neck. This asana should avoid those who are suffering from arthritis and severe joint pain. Now, let us practice Vajrasana. Take your right leg and place back below your right hips. Take your left leg and fold back and place your on your left side. Left. Now, this is Vajrasana position. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಸನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಆಸನ you can put any time. This is the only asana you can put any time. After the meals you can also put. If to put this asana helps to increase your digestive system, also it is strengthens your thigh muscles and calf muscles and strengthens your whole body. How the diamond is famous for shining and strength, like that your body also will be shining and also will strengthen your body. This is also very good asana for pranayama dhyana, meditative posture. Let us relax. Let us will prepare for Ardha Ustrasana. Take your right leg back. Will come to and place below the right hip and take your left leg back. Fold your left leg back and place left hip and sit straight. Let us prepare for Ardha Ustrasana. Ardha Ustrasana ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಂಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. Take both the hands up and place on your hip and support your backbone. Slowly breathe in and stretch back. Breathe in and breathe out and slowly come to position. Relax. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಸನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಥೈನ ಹ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾಭಿಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ನಾಭಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಎದೆಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಸ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಹಲೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ spine and neck muscles and bones. Now let us practice Ustrasana. Breathe in, take both the hands up. Breathe out, place your right hand on your right foot. Take your left hand and place your left foot. Keep your neck back, sahaja normal breathing. Breathe out and come to position. Take hands up and slowly sit down and relax your hand. Ustrasana helps to strengthen our spine. Helps to strengthen our spine and also neck, and stretches our lungs and cardiac muscles. Those avoid this asana, those who are having severe back pain and hernia problem, sciatica problem. Now let us prepare for Sashankasana. Now sit in Vajrasana. Spread your, widen your both the knees. Widen your both the knees. ಎರಡು ಮಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Breathe in. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Place your both the hands on mat and stretch forward and place your chin and chest. Breathing and come to position. Relax. Mandukasana helps to calms down our mind and also helps to reduce anxiety and stress. Also stretches our shoulder joints and latics. Now let us prepare for Mandukasana. Uttana Mandukasana. Breathing. Now take your right hand, place on your right back shoulder. Take your left hand, place your left shoulder back and sit straight. Uttana Mandukasana. Normal breathing. Slowly stretch up. Breathe in and breathe out and relax. Stretch your both legs forward and relax. Keep your head back and relax. Talen hinದೆ relax ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us prepare for Vakrasana. Sit straight, Dandasana Sthiti. Take your right foot and place near the left joint. Take your left hand up and cover your right knee and try to hold your right foot. Place your right hand back and twist your look back, your right side. This is called Vakrasana. Breathe in and take both hands up. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. This asana will help to massage our internal organs of the abdomen. Also, it helps to a very good asana for diabetic patients. It helps to activate pancreas. Now we will start with another leg, left foot. Take your left foot and place near the right knee joint. Take right hand up and cover your left knee and hold left foot and place your left leg back, left hand back and look back. Vakrasana. ಎಡಸ್ತನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾಭಿ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. Vakrasana. Take both hands up, breathe in and breathe out and relax. Place your both hands back, keep your head back and relax. ತಲೆನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಸು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ you can flop your legs and relax. Now let us prepare for Makarasana. Now we'll sleep on prone position. We'll go to prone position. Place both hands and place your head on your palms relax. Either right face or left face you can place and relax. This is also one of the best asana to relax. Best asana to relax. It also helps to increase our oxygen level and also strengthen our lungs. Now let us prepare for Sarala Bhujangasana. Place your both hands ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷನ ಎದೆ ತರೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ elbow joints. Place your both elbow joints near the chest. Now breathe in and stretch your chest up. Cobra posture. Normal breathing, relax. Now let us prepare for Shalabhasana. Keep your palms close to your thighs and breathe in and stretch both legs up. Shalabhasana. Relax, breathe out and relax. Shalabhasana helps to relieves the lower back pain and strengthen our thigh muscles, and also helps to burn fat accumulated near the abdomen, lower abdomen. Now let us come to Vajrasana. Now in supine position, and let us do supine position asana. Supine position asanas. Hands down. Place your both hands near the body. Take your left hand near the left hips. Take your right leg near the hips. Now hold your ankle joints from your both hands. Now we are breathing and stretch your back up. Setu Bandhasana. Hold few seconds, normal breathing. Relax. This asana helps to stretch our abdominal muscles and also strengthen our spine. It helps to increase flexibility of spine. Very good asana for relaxation and as well as lungs and cardiac disease. It can avoid cardiac disease also. It calms down the mind. It also helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Now we are Uttita Padasanamana, Prasarita Padottasana. Now breathe in, place both the hands near your body and breathe in and lift your both the legs up to 60 degree and hold. Breathe out and relax and place right hand on your abdomen, massage slowly from right. Take your left hand, massage slowly. Savya Apasavya. This asana helps to strengthen our abdomen muscles, helps to increase our digestive system, also strengthens our thigh muscles. This asana should be avoided those who got operated near abdomen and severe hernia problems. Now let us prepare for Ardha Halasana. Now place both the hands close to your body, palm should face down. Now slowly breathe in and lift up to 90 degree and hold few seconds normal breathing. Slowly breathe out and relax. And again place your right palm on your face and massage. Take your left hand and Apasabhya. Relax. Now let us prepare for Shavasana. Now let us prepare for Pavanamuktasana. Take both bend your both the knees and place on your chest. Now Pavanamuktasana, forward and backward bending. ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡು ಪವನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ. Relax. Now take your right knee and try to touch your from forehead. Ekapada Pavanamuktasana. Now here take your left knee. Ekapada Pavanamuktasana and relax. Place both hands, palm should facing up, outward. Keep your hands close to your body. Relax your body. Your heels should be face each other. Your little toes should touch the ground. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Relax your feet. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knee joint, relax your thighs. ಪಾದದಿಂದ ಪಾದಗಳು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮೀನಿನ ಕಂಡ, ಮಂಡಿ ಚಿಪ್ಪುಗಳು, ತೊಡೆಯ ಸ್ನಾಯುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ಡಾಮಿನಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್, ಪೃಷ್ಠದ ಸಂದುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ನಾಭಿಯ ಭಾಗದ ಸ್ನಾಯುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್, ಪ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್, ಕಿಡ್ನಿ, liver, gallbladder. Relax your internal organs and give a relaxation. ನಾಭಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಎದೆಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ನಾಯುಗಳು, ಮೂಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಹೃದಯದ ಸ್ನಾಯುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಿಸಿಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಎರಡೂ ಕೈಗಳಿಗೆ, ಭುಜದ ಸಂದುಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. Relax your backbone and muscles. Relax your backbone and muscles. Relax your mind. Relax your brain and nervous system. Relax your whole body. Now, whole body are relaxed. ಇಡೀ ದೇಹ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. Take your right hand back. Place your left hand on your chest. Fold your left leg and turn. Slowly sleep like a baby. Now again turn your left side. Sleep like a baby. Now take your hand support and come up. Let us prepare for pranayama. For pranayama, any asana we can say Siddhasana, Padmasana or Sukhasana. Sukhasana, this is Sukhasana, you can say it. Only thing you have to, while doing pranayama, you have to keep your back straight. This is Sukhasana or Ardha Padmasana. This is Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana or Siddhasana. I'll start with Padmasana. In between, if you're getting pain, you can relax, stretch your legs and change your leg position. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋವು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಹಸ್ತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಪೇನ್ ದಟ್ ವೈಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. ಚಿನ್ ಮುದ್ರಾ, ಕಪಾಲಭಾತಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಬ್ಡಾಮಿನಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಭಿಯಿಂದ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಮೂಗಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೊರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೇಷನ್, ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಇನ್ಹಲೇಷನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಉಸಿರು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ನಾಭಿಯಿಂದ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಡಿ, ಸಿದ್ಧ, ಶುರು. relax. Kapalbhati pranayama helps to increase shyness in your body, and also it removes the blockages in the heart and strengthens our abdominal muscles, and also it activates internal organs. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಭಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಠರಾಗ್ನಿಯನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಸ್, and also it avoids cold and sinusitis problem. It can be clears, it removes cold and sinusitis problems. This can be done in 3 phases. Beginning 20s, beginning 20 in a lower phase, and middle phase, the other 20 middle phase, and faster phase. ನಿಧಾನ 20ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಂತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ, ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಒಟ್ಟು 3 ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Now let us prepare for Nadi Shodha Pranayama. Left hand hold Chin Mudra, in right hand Bhrugi Mudra. Your thumb and index, your thumb and middle finger and ring finger should touch the thumb. Breathe out. This is alternative breathing. Left nostril breathing and holding left nostril, and breathe out from your right nostril. Again, breathing from right nostril, holding right nostril, and breathe out from your left nostril. Alternative breathing. Breathe out. Close your right nostril and breathe in from your left nostril. ಎಡ ಒಳೆಯಿಂದ ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಬಲ ಒಳೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Close your left nostril. ಎಡ ಒಳೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಲ ಒಳೆ ಉಸಿರೋಣ. Breathe out from your right nostril. Again, breathe in from right nostril. Close your right nostril. Breathe out from your left nostril. ಎಡ ಒಳೆಯಿಂದ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡೋಣ. 5 ಬಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ relax. Nadi Shodha Pranayama helps to calm down the mind, and also helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and also it helps to supply prana shakti to the all 3 nadis: Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi, and Sushumna Nadi. Activates these 3 nadis to supply prana vayu, energy force. Now let us practice Bhramari Pranayama. Take your thumbs, close your ear, ಕಿವಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳಿಂದ place your index finger on your eyebrow, place your middle finger on your nose, place your ring finger below the nose, place your little finger near the chin, and take breathing and make a buzzing sound, V sound. Siddha, Shuru, breathe in from your nose, again breathe out making a makara sound. Relax, close your eyes. Let us prepare for dhyana. Observe your changes in your mind. Concentrate on your breathing. We have did standing asanas, sitting asanas, supine asanas, pronasanas, pranayama. From this, we have energized, we have a good health, we have a peace mind, we have relaxed mind. ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕುಳಿತು ಮಾಡುವ ಆಸನ, ನಿಂತು ಮಾಡುವ ಆಸನ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲಗಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಆಸನ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಆಸನಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಶಕ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನವಚೇತನ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಒತ್ತಡವನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೇಹ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದೆ. Now relax our mind. Relax. Our body will be full energized. Now take both the palm and rub your palm. Now place on your face and eyes. Now watch your palms. Now let us make a sankalpa. Stretch your hand forward. I commit myself to remain in a balanced state of mind all the time. It is in this state that my development reaches its greatest possibility. I commit to do my duty to myself, family, at work, to the society, and to the world, for the promotion of peace, health, and harmony. Now let us end. Ellarigu, I wish you all 7th International Yoga Day celebration. End with Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bend forward. Nam pranama to Bharat Mata. ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಭಲೋ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ, ಭಲೋ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ, ಭಲೋ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ಜೈ.